Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am going to share with you my latest Minerva make and also do a little pattern review for you because I did use a new pattern that I've not used before. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise and I want to share with you my latest Minerva project. I am a Minerva brand ambassador, and Minerva Fabrics is located in the UK, and so I was gifted this fabric and I wanted to share that with you. Now, the complete name of this fabric, it's always something long. It's poly cotton fleece back sweatshirt stretch knit. In other words, it's a sweatshirt fleece that has stretch, but it's in the color mid brown and it is fantastic. It's actually very easy to sew. So if you're afraid of a knit, this is more, I would say, at least a stable knit in that regard. It's very easy to cut and to sew. The weight, I would say it's like a medium weight fabric. So it's perfect for right now when it's getting to be cold and winter. So I knew right away that I wanted to make a sweatsuit with the fabric as soon as I got it. Now, my inspiration for the outfit that I made was this here from Mimi G. She had posted a picture of herself in a brown sweatsuit, and I thought, oh, I really love that look. So I had the opportunity to get this fabric, so I did mine. Now, I did use two patterns. This is the Sew It Academy pattern, where you don't have to be a member of Sew It Academy. You can simply buy the pattern. Some of the patterns they're selling separately. This is cropped sweatshirt and pin tuck sweatpants. So I liked this top. It's kind of blousy on the sleeves, which I really liked. And so I ordered enough fabric in order to make this. Now, some of you may be wondering what it was like to work with this pattern in particular, because this is from Sew It Academy. As I mentioned, I am not a member of Sew It Academy, and I know they have a monthly fee and they teach classes. That's about all I know. The only thing I was interested in was buying this pattern. It was easy to put together. I think mine is PDF. I believe they are all PDF, but I think you can do maybe like I don't know if they have projector, but I think they do have large print. But anyway, it was easy to put together. I did the print at home, and the instructions I think are very good. So if anyone has any concerns about something like that, I think it's well drafted. At least I can only speak for this particular pattern. This is the only one I've used. So with mine, I use that pattern for the top. Now, as far as changing up the pattern, I did lengthen it by 2 inches. Honestly, I could have done 3 if I'm reaching for something. It pulls up a little bit more than what I'm used to, more than what I would be comfortable with outside, let's say. But it's good. It's very good. So I did lengthen it. I think next time I would do 3. For the trim that I use, the rib knit trim, that I bought separately. I bought that on Amazon, and I actually had to do 2 orders because I didn't quite have enough of that. So that's also in I believe it's caramel color. I'll have to double check. But I thought it went nicely with the mid brown color of the sweatshirt fleece. Because it doesn't match it, but it's contrasting enough, so it doesn't look weird to me. I like the way it looks, and so that is what I went with. Now, this fabric washes. I always got to wash and dry my fabric first. The sweatshirt fleece washes and dries beautifully. No shrinkage, to my knowledge, nothing that I could tell, and it just honestly gets softer when you wash it. So it's just very comfy and beautiful for something like a loungewear set or a sweatsuit, something like that. It's perfect. So that's that. Now, as far as the patterns I use, I told you I did use the Sew It Academy cropped top, but for the pants I used the Simplicity 3011. Now, I've done this before. I made a two-piece jumpsuit. I made the jumpsuit first and then realized I would really like this in two pieces. So I made the next one as a matching top and pants using this pattern. So this is not the first time I've used this. If you've never made a jumpsuit, one of the things with something like this, especially if you've got elastic in the waist, you're going to do these two, the top and the bottom are done separately, and then you sew them together. So it's actually very easy. It's a very easy change to make. And this pattern, the 3011, is a pin tuck sweat pant, or it's a pin tuck pant for the jumpsuit. So since I'd already made the changes to that pattern to get it to fit me the way I wanted, I went ahead and just used that. So that made the process easy rather than using this. Now if you order this, you do get both the top and the pants. That is the pattern that you get, and you can order it with the sew along or not. I did not get the sew along. I just ordered the pattern, but it was an easy project to put together. I really like it. Like I said, it's just so comfortable, and it's like the perfect kind of loungewear outfit to wear. So I'm enjoying that quite a bit. So that is all of that part of the video. Now, as far as what I'm working on right now, I'm not working on anything right now. I haven't actually done any sewing since I finished this sweatsuit. And so that's been like 2, maybe 3 weeks. I haven't made anything, which is weird. I do need to clean up in the sewing room. I'm sitting in my sewing room right now, and I've got stuff around that I need to put away. But what I am doing is I'm kind of working on a little list of things that I want to at least try to do in the coming year, since it's the holiday season right now and I'm busy with that kind of stuff. So that is what is going on around here. But let me know what you guys are up to. If you are sewing something, I might try to do a quick project, something to sort of get those creative juices flowing again and get really back into sewing. Like I said, it's been a few weeks, and I go through phases like this every now and then. Usually this is one of those times where I don't sew as much in the month of December, just because it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas. My birthday is coming up in not too long, a week or two. And so there's a lot going on. So I will the sewing becomes secondary, so to speak. But anyway, that's all that's going on around here. Let me know what you all are up to. I thank you for your time. I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about anything, please leave them down below. I will try to leave you a link to the rib knit. Like I said, I bought that on Amazon. And that is very nice quality. It's actually quite heavy, but it's easy to sew. So I will leave you a link for that. But take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.